Today's recipe is great when looking for something that is special without a lot of fuss. It's a spring and summer seasonal dish, but really can be enjoyed all year long.
It's Polo Cacio e Pepe in Italian, or cheese and pepper chicken.
Our recipe is for 4 adults, which calls for about 4 pounds of bone-in chicken. We're using breasts and thighs, with the skin on. To prep them, we're seasoning with kosher salt and coarse black pepper on both sides. Don't forget to preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And then put the chicken to the side. Now take a large oven-proof pan, and add enough extra virgin olive oil to cover the bottom of it. With the oil at medium heat, place the chicken skin side up, to brown its backside. Then flip the chicken over to brown the skin side, to a crispy golden. When the skin is a crispy brown, move it to a plate until we're ready. In the same pan, add 1 medium sweet onion that has been coarsely chopped. And spread the onion so it browns evenly. As it becomes tender, season the onion with kosher salt and coarse black pepper, and then add 5 cloves of finely chopped fresh garlic. Lower the heat to low-medium and keep it moving around to prevent it from overbrowning. Then add 3/4 of a cup of dry white wine. Let it reduce to about half. It should take about 3 to 4 minutes. The wine will also deglaze the pan and get all of those delicious bits moving. With the wine reduced, add the 1½ cups of unsalted chicken stock or broth. Now add a tablespoon of chicken bouillon, either paste or powdered. Swish it around to make sure it fully dissolves. Then raise the heat slightly to bring it up to a boil. Once you have a nice boil going, add the chicken back to the pan with the skin side up. And add the juices from the chicken to the pan. There's a lot of flavor there. Now roast the chicken uncovered in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. When the chicken is finished roasting, remove it from the oven and set it aside while finishing the sauce. Want to see our next new recipe? Click the subscribe button.
And also please give us a like. It generates revenue to support the channel.
With the heat at low-medium, slowly add 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. Make sure that the cream is at room temp, so that it won't curdle. Add lemon zest to your taste level. We've measured out about 3/4 of a tablespoon. Season with kosher salt and coarse black pepper. It may seem like a lot of pepper, but remember that Pepe is Italian for pepper. Continue to stir as the sauce thickens. If it doesn't thicken, mix 4 tablespoons of cornstarch with 4 tablespoons of cold water and add it as a thickening agent. Under low-medium heat, add the chicken to the sauce and allow it to come to a low simmer. Here's the list of ingredients for today's recipe: Polo Cacio e Pepe, or cheese and pepper chicken. This recipe feeds 4 adults. You'll need 4 pounds of bone-in chicken with the skin on. We've used breasts and thighs, but we've cut it back to breasts to make things easier to follow. 1 sweet onion coarsely chopped. 2 lemons, 1 cut into wedges and the other used for lemon zest. 5 cloves of fresh garlic finely chopped. 3/4 of a cup of dry white wine. 1½ cups of low-sodium chicken stock or broth. 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, either paste or powdered. 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. 1 cup of pecorino romano cheese, grated. Half a handful of fresh Italian parsley, finely chopped. Enough extra virgin olive oil to cover the bottom of the pan. And kosher salt and coarse black pepper for seasoning to your taste.
And for a hard copy of these ingredients with complete directions, use the download link that's in the Show More section.
We've added the pecorino cheese and the Italian parsley to finish off the chicken.
What a great presentation! Let's plate it and taste it.
A classic of Rome, that translates incredibly from what is normally applied to pasta, to a seasonal chicken recipe flavored with the components of cheese, lemon, and pepper.
What a refreshing use of these savory and flavorful ingredients.
Bon appetit! Here are a few more tips and recipes that you may find interesting. Also, check out our website, aquickrecipe.com, for more interesting cooking ideas.
Thanks for watching. See you next time on our YouTube channel, A Quick Recipe.